What's up, Pineapple Gang? I just wanted to upload a video of myself riding the Star Wars Rise of the Resistance ride at Disney's Hollywood Studios. I have found myself going back to watch this video a couple times, so it might be something that's like kind of nostalgic for people. I thought I might just upload it. Also, if you are a parent wondering if it is going to be too scary for your child, you might want to check it out and just see kind of what it's all about. If you have not been on this ride yet, please don't watch this video. I don't want to ruin it for you guys because it is a pretty cool ride. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I am trying to grow my channel and I would so appreciate the help from you guys. All right, let's just get into the video and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
All the way across the room, except we're filling in all the available space,
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be at flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Numb and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Alright, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
Yeah, that was right.
Life is in motion. Which calls you to transport.
The best line ever.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pakara. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must get on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Numb. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company, First Order TIE fighters.
Reroute! Reroute! Round 2, Blue 5, we gotta get up now so transport can make the jump! Everyone under us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to stay good, Blue!
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to cut on the way! Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump. Be ready, you won't have much time. Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. Get out of there! We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in. I'll get some friends to make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong. Is there anything we can do, Nine Nine? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Hey. Louis.
It's all part of like. Imagine that being your job. You're gonna stand here for 6 hours yeah. Oh, 100%. I'm not gonna sit and pay that many people to do that. Keep going, Spot. I really thought those were people.
It's right out of the movie, huh?
Yeah.
What offensive play is on?
That's our fair.
Clear the ship for search. Scans show the transport is carrying weapons and supplies. Route all passengers to the detention block. Troops, secure the flight deck.
Carson, what if we end up dying here?
What about we trying to kick? What about that?
We need to stay together.
The ship? Yeah.
Back up, back up. Next time.
Carson, we're going into the bad guy's ship.
Go ahead, sir.
You can go ahead, sir.
We're not going to
Hey, Rob.
Good call.
We'll have 2 separate lines, okay? Listen to me. Line of 8 now. Line 8 long.
Line for the 3, aren't you?
3.
How many here?
3 to 4 line out of the 11.
8 people here. 8 people here. Move forward with me this way. This way.
Line here, follow me. This line, follow them. This way.
4 of you. Roll the line over here. Go past 4 of you. Someone will jump all behind
How
me.
many in your unit? 2 set on blue. How many in your unit? Set on red. How many in your unit? Set on silver. Join them on silver. How many in your unit? Set on orange. It will be imperative to your interrogations. Once the interrogation cell has been prepared and the door has opened, I will call you inside by your color. First blue and red, followed by silver and orange. Once inside of the interrogation cell, you are to stay away from the walls of the cell
repeat that?
Silver and orange, enter the cell.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Stay back.
We're with the Resistance. We're here to rescue. You'll find your safe color. Right this way. Blue, red, silver, orange. Quickly, red, silver, and orange. Bags and cargo at your feet. Seatbelts go left to right.
Force. Get to the escape pods now.
Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Pilotos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad.
Let's work back into that transmission gun.
I'm not videoing this. I want to experience it. Yeah, that's true.
Coordinates on the artifact. Coordinates are looking good. You should be good to go momentarily.
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a ranger in Block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level 10.
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pods are full! Wait, why are you going up? Set down, up is bad. Up is very bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm. All personnel to their stations.
Stop. The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run. Fire the mental cannons.
shots came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Rhino, Scaffold talking. Yeah.